Hello all. Today we will learn how to make a word search using A to Z teacher stuff. It is completely free and we can easily make a word search that can be printed. So let us see how to make it. It is very easy. There are simple steps which are given here itself, as you can see on the screen. It says title of puzzle. So when it says title of puzzle, I will write the title of the puzzle here. Suppose I am making the puzzle on polynomials. So I will write polynomials. Then it says your word list. So I will write the words over here separated by comma, spaces or one per line. So I am writing few words here. First being cubic. Then next is suppose quadratic. Then next being suppose I am writing a parabola, since a parabola is formed by a quadratic polynomial. And then I am writing another word, that is linear. Then there are terms in a polynomial. Suppose I have written these many words. You can write as many words as you want. So they are saying we are supposed to write it separated by commas, spaces or one per line. I've used commas over here. Okay. Next we can move on to this part which says word list. That is, you can use an existing word list also if you want. I am not using. And then placement of word list. Where do you want the words to be? If you want the words to be written along with the word search puzzle, then you will write sort word list alphabetically in right, in left or whatever direction you want. But since I want to hide the word list, I will click on hide word list. Language is English. Next they are saying there are rows and columns. 15 by 15 grid will be there. It will be a square grid. It is fine for me. You can make changes. As you can see, there are number of rows from 5 to 50 and columns also from 5 to 50, and it will be in uppercase and size is pretty okay. So word placement, forward and backward words. I don't want backward words, so I will write forward words only. So this is done. Then diagonal words I want, and up and down words also I want. So next is, after making all these changes, and then we have to, this will save your settings when you press create puzzles. So we will not save settings, at least we will create puzzle, or we can reset also. So letters only, duplicate words are removed. Words must be at least 2 letters and not more than 15 letters. Words will be skipped if it can't find room for in grid. So refresh the page to see a new look of the grid. Okay, so let us create a puzzle now. So I will just press upon create puzzle and wait for it to create a puzzle for me. And here you can see a new word search puzzle is created on polynomials, and this you can print or you can take it as on your screen. You can enlarge it, you can take a screenshot, or you can take a screenshot, send it to yourself, and or you can copy paste whatever you want. So you can direct print it from here also, and you can change it also, or you can go back and change your puzzle as it says, to change the grid size, font size or reposition of word list to right or bottom of the puzzle if you want the word list to be. So I hope this was very useful for you, and it is very easy. You can straight away move on to A to Z teacher stuff and you can create a word search. Thank you.